video is made for class 6 on chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas, and today we are going to do exercise 4.6. Let's begin with it. Now here a figure is given to you and we need to identify various of its parts. Number 1, they are asking you what is the center of the circle. The point which is just in the middle of the circle is known as the center of the circle and it is usually marked as O. So O is the center of the circle. 3 radii. Radii means it is a radius, plural of radius. So any point which we draw from O to the circle boundary, that will be taken as radius. So in this case, OA, OB, OC, all the three form the radius of the circle. Diameter is which is always passed through the center of the circle from one end to the other end. So AC is the diameter. A chord we need to tell. So ED, the line which is there, that is a chord. 2 points in its interior. So there, if you look here, there is one P and there is one O. These are the only 2 points which is inside the circle. A point in the exterior. So if you look in the figure, Q is a point which is on the exterior of the circle. A sector. Now sector is usually in a form of a triangle. If you see, AOB forms a sector, a shaded part, and a segment, if you want to know, ED, the shaded part, becomes the segment of the circle. Question number 2. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, all the diameter forms the longest chord. So diameter is also known as the chord of a circle. So we can say yes. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, every chord is not a diameter because chord can be the shortest also. And diameter is the one which passes through the center and it is the longest one. So every chord is not a diameter, but diameter can be a chord. Question number 3, you need to draw a circle and mark the following points. Now center of the circle means it will be always in the middle, that is always marked as O in the figure. You need to mark the radius. So radius can be OA, OC or OB. So that is the line which we draw from the center to the boundary of a circle, that will be treated as a radius. So OA, OC, OB all are the radius of the circle. Their measurements will remain same. A diameter is the line which passes through the center of the circle and it is joining the endpoints of the circle, that is AB. A sector is in the form of a triangle, so AOC we treat it as a sector. A segment is ED. A point in its interior, only O is in the interior. A point in its exterior, only F is in the exterior. And we need to find out an arc, so AC can be treated as in a arc shape. So that is an arc. Question number 4, say true or false. 2 diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. It is true statement. Diameter is which passes through the center of a circle and there is no fixed method that it has to be drawn straight. You can draw it in any ways, n number of ways it can be, and they will always pass through the center of the circle. The center of a circle is always in its interior. Yes, when we draw the circle, you mark the center inside the circle, so it is true statement. That's all for exercise 4.6, children. And with this, we end the video here. I hope you must have understood the concepts of the circle and everything. Very soon I am going to come up with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.